There's a great quote by the French author Michel Foucault who basically states that the only proper place for a thinking mind is the fence. We need to be skeptical about pretty much everything, pretty much all the time. We need to weigh information on both sides. We need to come to our own conclusions and make informed decisions about what we're doing. And that's very much important in technical analysis. And I wanted to continue the last slide where we were talking about making predictions versus making forecasts. And I want to use a couple of examples. One of those is going to be forecasting weather. If you have basically existed in Western society, you've made use of a weather forecast. And weather forecasting is very similar to what we do in technical analysis. It is imperfect. It doesn't always work, but it uses a vast amount of information. It requires experience and educated analysts. It provides us most likely scenarios about what is going to happen in the future. We use historical information to say what has happened when these conditions were present. We look at the outcome of those situations and we apply that information to what's going to happen in the current context. Price action, weather information, both of those things result in a potential forecast. So forecasting requires what? A collection of information and data, an experienced analyst, investigation, a creation of most likely scenarios given the information that's provided, and just like in trading, forecasting becomes a major part of our day-to-day decision making. Do you check the weather before you go to the beach or go fishing or go outside? I'm willing to bet that you do, and weather forecasts are an important part of your day-to-day life.